everybody. This old Stingray 408 in the main cave. I just don't work on radios. I do computer repair too. I got a friend of mine that gave me a battery for this old laptop, and we're gonna install this thing. Hope everybody's having a good day. And I've got the rest of these screws here out. We got this screw, and this screw. Take out the battery. Needed. And just pull the sliders like this. Pull that out. And you got access to the battery right here. Plug that bad boy. It only go in one way. You got tabs on the side here. So it won't go on one and go in one way, so don't force it. Let me see if I can't find my other battery now. Guess I should have got this before I got started, huh? I'm a second shifter and I ain't woke up yet. They give me all kinds of goodies. You just gotta have nice to have good friends. Look here, got some relays, stuff that he don't want or don't mind to me. I'm gonna try to make a foot pedal out of this bad boy. Key up my radio. This little gadget right here, I don't mean to get off the subject of the laptop, but this little baby right here is, you can put up to 30 volts inside this bad boy right here. Take a screwdriver and turn that little screw right there, and you can go all the way down to 0 volts, back up to 30 volts. You're talking about sweet, sweet, sweet. I've got 2 of those. That'll come in handy. Okay, here's my battery. I'll get the scissors. Like I said, it don't go in one way, so don't force it any other way. I believe that'll be alright right there. Now, put this bad boy right here back on. Screw that back down. Now, that battery keeps control of your clock, time of year, and the month. That keeps your BIOS settings as well. So, garbage. I'm going to put this in my bag. This is everything I fixed and repaired and checked on my new meters. Look at all that stuff. Tubes, transistors, resistors, and now batteries. Mics, switches, you name it. I'll be moving that to a big box for long, big old crate. I'm going to keep everything I try to repair and check. I threw away some stuff before I started this little collection, but It's getting bigger and bigger. Oh. A good friend at work gave me this, and it's been well used. Appreciate you, Johnny. I'm going to go over here in my box, my little drawer. Okay. Put the battery back. String needs to be cleaned. I think my battery's shot. Yeah. Oh, another thing is that you think you might be somebody spying on you, like whoever. Put some tape on that little bad boy right there. Yeah. You can't stop the microphone from audio, but you can stop them seeing the video of some sort. I hope anyway. They might see my hair down. Yeah, I need to get on eBay and buy me a new battery. Battery don't hold charge. I forgot about that. So, let's go ahead and keep that off. Plug this bad boy up and set my BIOS. Hope everybody learned something on the battery switch. Like I said, take out screw, and take this one out last, and it slides down. Don't pick up on it. Slide it down, and they'll unlock. These things are real easy to break, so slide it down and come out. That's on the Dell, by the way. Yeah. E6410. 6410. Yeah. I don't know about the other one. This is an i5 processor. Very, very nice and quick. Yeah. We run Windows 7, Windows 8, Android, and Linux. Sorry about my screen being so dirty. This is the best stuff in the world to clean your screen with. Very, very good stuff. I think everybody needs this. Cleans monitors, TVs, laptops. Does a really, really good job. Let me go ahead and do this while I got it going. Spray the rag. Whop it down. Look at that. Lord. All that was from a campfire, people. I do a lot of movie watching and beer drinking and cooking on a campfire. Y'all seen my videos. So most of that is ashes off the campfire. Of course, cigarette smoke, not cigarette smoke, cigar smoke. Look at that. Woo! Can't wait to watch another movie with a clear picture. A 408 in the man cave. Hope everybody has a God bless weekend coming up. Thank everybody for watching my videos. Hope I didn't bore anybody. 408, Stingray 408 in the man cave. Peace. Just got down. Bye 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 bye.